Hey guys, this is a very quick comparison between the cursor and Kiro. So the first thing is that for the speed and responsiveness, cursor is faster and more responsive. It offers instant code suggestions and smooth workflow transitions. But on the other hand, with the cursor, like they're constantly, what I feel is like they're changing the pricing and it's not really transparent how the things work. So it's a little bit bummer with cursor, but yeah. Now the Kiro is considered like is much slower right now comparing to cursor. But again, this can also like improve in the future, like 2-3 months when you're watching this video, it can be completely something else. Now, when we're gonna go further, the Kiro strength, you have deep thinking before coding, automatically builds high-level specs and task breakdowns before execution, side-by-side diff views and per-file rollback, support making code review more intuitive, and also can auto-generate documentation and updatable hooks integrated into workflow. Now, on the cursor, what I have is like many times the agent is effective, then you can like change it to Suno thinking, and it can help like just like program. The con is kind of like the price there, but I understand because they just want to have a lot of users. But even like if you know how to program, the vibe coding can be very effective. So now that's pretty much like both. Like Kiro right now, what I perceive is that if you value structured planning, spec documentation, and compliance style development, you work in large or long-lived code base where clarity and team onboarding matter. Speed isn't priority right now. On the other hand, with Cursor, if you want to have something speed, flexible coding flow, and robust autocomplete, and you are also building and debugging ad hoc features, and you want to have like lighter plug and play tool. So still Cursor is for me better, but still like just check out Kiro in the future, join waitlist and you will see for yourself. So thank you very much for watching, and let me down below in the comments what is your experience with both. Would be happy to hear, and have a great day and goodbye.